Good, gloomy, crashing, rainy, depressing, suicidal day in the crypto market. This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you come. That's right, you come. Like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alerts. And this is just another 6th edition. Good morning, everybody. On this beautiful, increasingly light crashing of the crypto market day. The Vincenzo'S morning radio show. I don't know how many times my jabronis out there in all my jabroni land, look at that chart. You guys love that fucking chart. You know? Every day with the fucking chart. You want the chart? I give you the chart. You guys watch the chart based on my views and my rankings of now being, wait for it, 150 straight hours of averaging north of 1,000 viewers. So we're averaging just about 625 viewers a day right now and 35 hours of listen time. So you guys are listening to this radio show. You're listening to, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I play one here on my own radio show or anywhere else across Facebook, Twitter, or wherever else I may end up in this virtual online world, right? But this is strictly educational, informative only, as you've seen last Saturday with the Targzisian trading alert, right? You know, how many times you got to get beat down by the criminal gangster cartel? How many times do they got to pull the rug out from underneath you, pump you up, drive you up for Saturday Night Live, and then bam, right in the fucking face, son, crash down, done, right to the deep farthest down depths of all eternity. And you guys continue to go back to these heisters and shysters and fleecers on YouTube because they got 50,000 subscribers. They're not making these dynamite, phenomenal money calls like I am. Can you fucking, yeah, I can fucking believe it. I don't even have to say that line. That's why when I post a Doge video, I get 40 views in the first 20 minutes. You know, and then when the market's crashing, everything pushes 100 views in 3 hours because you guys are panicking. All your normal fleecers and shysters and heisters that you usually run to are telling you the price is going to the moon, but the rug's been pulled out from underneath you again, right? They're pointing over here. Look at fancy Elon. He's going to wear a hat. And Jeff Bezos has an airport. His private planes, Saturday Night Live. You fucking jabronis. You make me sick, but I love each and every one of you even more every time I see this happen because it just shows you the power, the foresight, the knowledge, right? All of that. The power of my trading alerts and the power of a probability structured based data-filled system at an industry-exclusive, one-of-a-kind, company-made, available only at Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing radio network and trading alerts. Cash at me for trading alerts if you want a specific coin, commodity. As an example, a Litecoin guy. Last week, I pray to you out there, you're listening. I know you're a listener because you watch all my videos. But you asked me, you gave me an emergency shout out and said, will you please up here, see this right here? Get out of there. Let me pull my little pointer tool out that we don't use anymore because we got the drawing tool and the perching tool, the line tool with an arrow. He got a hold of me right here at $350. And he was stuck in a trade that he wasn't sure how to get out of because he never wanted to be in, but got stuck with the hype train while he was sitting on his bed reading through Facebook, just to the right of his television on the left side of the wall, underneath the 3rd floor mat from the 2nd row in. He got heisted and shysted, right? So he was looking for footing and an idea on where the market was at, where it was going. He was getting hammered. You know, he bought in around 400, right at that blue upper resistance. So I had to draw him a pattern. I said, the rug's getting taken out from under you, but I can't tell you. I'm not a financial advisor. If you're going to, he asked me if he should sell. Same with all these Doge people. Or not all the jabronis are that are Doge, but a lot of the jabronis are now followers and subscribers because I bailed them out so many times. But if you're gonna just ask me because you got shysted and heisted and fleeced, I can't just say, yeah, sell, the price is going down. What are you, a long-term holder? Are you a swing trader? What's your average cost? Do you need that money soon? Were you planning on flipping it for something? Are you holding it forever? It's a very fluent situation, and there's a lot of different variables and data that you would have to know to tell you an educated, probability-based way about, should I sell this? I can't tell you if you should sell it or buy it, but I can just tell you where the price is going. And there's our upper resistance and our lower support, right? And I said we're coming down to that. And it was about $250 price target. And that was when we were almost $400. And we just hit that beautifully today, or we're almost there. And we're going to hit that, and we're probably going much, much lower than that after, but we would have to bounce back up and have a relief hook-nose Jew bearish reversal enticing pattern that the criminal gangster cartel puts out. Which then brings me to another thing. I harp on gold for you guys all the time. AAU, GPL. Go back and watch that impassionate AAU video I made for my father that got him to up his position by several thousand shares. And since then, the price is up 15%. I told you the Bitcoin price was going to crash to $20,000. I told you the first target was $52,000 after you broke out of a rising wedge, right? When we were up into the 60s and everyone said you're going to 100. Now we're at 38,000 and falling fast. So it doesn't seem so plausible that, or so unplausible that 20,000, the price target's going to be met. It will. It's going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight. There's going to be big pumps in between now and then. But I tell you to buy gold. I gave you dynamite gold and commodity charts that are running it to a T. When we look at the gold, see that? Can you see that? I mean, are you guys going to wait till gold's at $2,500 to get into the mining sector? Are you going to wait till gold's at $5,000 to buy AAU? Are you going to wait for AAU to go from 53 cents today to $1.25? Then you're going to be the jabronis and buy the hype? I mean, what is it going to take for you to get on board? GPL is about to explode to well over $1. Probably make a run at $2 by the end of the summer. AAU is going to make a run at $1.50 by midsummer, right? Kinross Gold is going to make a run to $15 this year. B2 Gold is going to blow past its regional local high, and it's making a run to $13 as it just broke out of an extended multi-month bull flag. If you don't know what a bull flag is, watch that commodity video, my silver video, my AAU videos. I go over all of that. They're about to explode, and my audience, some of you I see are buying silver bullion and gold and my mining stocks and handsomely being rewarded. Right? And if you ever handsomely be rewarded and you want to donate to the channel, cash at me, for hitting you a home run. But most of you guys, most of the jabronis that are just now stumbling upon my channel, because I notice every time the crypto, and I'm almost off. I came out to have a quick cigarette, my morning rant. I'm going to have to go back in here to Rivian, so an emergency buy when it goes public. But I've noticed every time the crypto market doesn't look so good, I get a lot of subscriptions. Last night, 7 right away. After we weeded out, I didn't want to weed out because I enjoy all my fan base, even though I despise the criminal gangster, yes, the Ohio State University, and them dumb fucking jabronis that wear a hairless nut on their neck. I can't stand them and I hate them, but I love their fans, So I couldn't believe off of a couple of funny pictures of their douchebag super fan that I met in Ann Arbor and was an even bigger douchebag with his fucking hairless nut rubbing around his face. His sweat drips off of it because he's got a hairless nuts around his head too. So while the sweat's dripping off his face and you're staring at his little chubby fat rolls and his goofy looking smile, it almost looks like he's got nut juice dripping down his face. And I 10 subscribers immediately. 13 actually, immediately unsubscribed after seeing a few videos like that. So they don't have thick skin down there, even though they throw shit and piss balloons at the University of Texas fans when they came up to the shoe 10 years ago. But I love you Ohio State fans. I call my Jim Harbaugh out every day, but my Michigan jabronis, yes, I am a jabroni because I'm a die-hard Michigan fan. You don't see them unsubscribing because I call us jabronis. Have a sense of humor. But don't be the guy that's gonna wait till gold's at $2,500 an ounce by the end of summer to buy your first ounce of physical bullion. Don't wait till silver's at a $40 end of summer price target to buy your first ounce of silver. Don't wait for AAU to be $2 to buy your first share. That's jabroni buy. Don't be that jabroni that buys GPL for the first time at $2.50. Don't be that jabroni that buys B2 Gold and Kinross Gold for the first time at $15 and $12.50 respectively. Don't be that jabroni. Be the smart money. Be the Vincenzo money. I'm going to put that on a coffee mug too. Vincenzo money, right? So every time you sip that coffee mug and you got your Rolex on and they wonder how you got that, the front of it says Vincenzo money, and they'll understand. Vincenzo money is buying GPL at 65, 75, 80 cents. Vincenzo money. AAU. Vincenzo money buys at 40 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents. Vincenzo money. B2 Gold. Pumped up to $9. Vincenzo waited. Got enticed, but didn't take the bait from the criminal gangster cartel. Then it collapsed down to $6. Vincenzo nibbles. Then it got to $5.30. Vincenzo buys more. Vincenzo money getting there. Then it got to $4.65 to $4.90. Briefly, Vincenzo loaded up. Vincenzo money. Now Vincenzo rides the pump. AAU, Vincenzo's going to ride the pump. GPL, Vincenzo rides the pump. Right? B2 Gold, ride the pump. Kinross Gold, Vincenzo rides the pump. Right? Those are the smart decisions you make. That's the action you got to take. That's the drive you must have, and that's the fortitude you have to continue to have after you make that life-changing decision to like, subscribe, and share this channel. To take my technical, one-of-a-kind, probability-based trading alert technical analysis classes, to cash at me for my one-of-a-kind, golden, price-predicting trading alert stock charts, right? Take action. Don't be left behind. This was just a morning update radio show. Peace and love. Peace and love.